Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Starting with the highest name of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim. Welcome to the video lectures. This is your English teacher Sahish Nawaz, Class 5, Subject English, Final Term, Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Lahore. Let's have a look at the contents of this lecture. First, there will be introduction of the topic, then definition of the same topic. After that, there will be an explanation, then types of adverb, then we will do an exercise. At the end, I will give you a homework. Let's start with the introduction of this topic. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word which describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverbs. It tells us how, where, when, and how often an action has been done. Dear students, अब adverb वो part of speech है जो हमें verb के बारे में बताता है, verb को की meaning को further modify करता है. Now what is verb? Verb is an action. Verbs are action words. तो ये actions को describe करता है, adjectives को और दूसरे adverbs के meanings को modify करता है. और adverb हमें बताता है how an action takes place, where an action takes place, when and how often an action takes place. Explanation. Adverbs add to the meanings of the verbs. Adverbs modify the meanings of verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. As I told you earlier, कि adverbs meaning modify करते हैं verbs के meanings को, adjectives के और दूसरे adverbs के meaning को modify करते हैं और ये हमें बताते हैं कि जो भी action हुआ वो कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ, कहाँ हुआ और कितनी दफ़ा वो action perform हुआ. Here are some of the examples. Happily, lazily, loudly, there, here, today, tomorrow, yesterday. All these words are adverbs. Now we will discuss types of adverbs. There are 4 types of adverbs and they are adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency and adverbs of place. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner describe how an action is done. For example, the girl sings beautifully. अब adverbs of manner हमें ये बताते हैं कि action किस तरह perform हुआ. अब जैसे यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल है, how does the girl sing? She sings beautifully. The boy eats greedily. How does the boy eat? The boy eats greedily. यानी कैसे उसने खाया? उसने बहुत greedily खाया. Here is a chart of adverbs of manner. Different words are given. Students, read them carefully. These all words show how an action is done. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time describe when an action takes place. For example, Mr. Lee is going out now. अब adverbs of time हमें ये बताते हैं कि किस वक्त, किस टाइम पे एक्शन परफॉर्म हुआ. अब जैसे Mr. Lee is going out now, यानी कब जा रहे हैं? He is going out now. The accident happened yesterday. Accident कब हुआ? What was the time? Accident happened yesterday, यानी वो कल हुआ. अब here is again a chart of adverbs of time. Students, these words show when an action took place. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency describe how often an action takes place. यानी एक action कितनी दफ़ा perform हुआ. Once, twice, thrice या never. नहीं कि action एक दफ़ा हुआ, 2 दफ़ा हुआ, कभी नहीं हुआ या कभी कभी हुआ. So it tells us about how many times an action has been done. And the example is, she telephoned me twice. यानी उसने मुझे कितनी दफ़ा फ़ोन किया? She telephoned me 2 times. Tom jogs daily to keep fit. How many times Tom jogs? He jogs daily to keep fit. Students, look at the list of these adverbs. They tell us about the frequency of an action. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place describe where an action takes place. अब adverbs of place हमें ये बताते हैं कि किस जगह पे action perform हुआ. For example, can I sit here? You can put your books there. Now students, again look at the list of these adverbs. ये सारे adverbs हमें बताते हैं कि कौन सी जगह पे, what is the place of an action, कि वो action कौन सी जगह पे perform हुआ, अंदर हुआ, indoors या outdoors या outside या above, here, there, यानी कौन सी जगह थी जहाँ पे action perform हुआ. Here is an exercise from your book Grammar and Usage, exercise number 50, page number 161. Dear students, take out your books, pen and pencils. You have to read the blanks carefully and then underline the adverbs. Don't rewrite the sentences, just underline the adverbs. Number 1. I noticed a man loitering there. Where is the man loitering? He is loitering there. This is adverb of place, so underline the word there. Number 2. They have seen the film twice. How many times they have seen the film? They have seen it twice. 2 times उन्होंने ये film देखी है. So underline the word twice. This is adverb of frequency. Number 3. Mr. Ford is returning to America tonight. When is Mr. Ford returning to America? He is returning to America tonight. So this is adverb of time. Underline the word tonight. Number 4. How gracefully the girl dances. How does the girl dance? She dances gracefully. This is adverb of manner. So underline the word gracefully. Number 5. Lawrence never jogs in the park. How many times Lawrence jogs? He jogs never. This is adverb of frequency. So underline the word never. Page number 161. Blank number 6. Mr. Owen went to work hurriedly. How did Mr. Owen go to work? He went to work hurriedly. यानी वो जल्दी जल्दी अपने काम पे गए. This is adverb of manner. Underline the word hurriedly. Number 7. The drunkard was walking unsteadily. How was the drunkard walking? He was walking unsteadily. So underline the word unsteadily. This is adverb of manner. Number 8. Have you swept the floor? There is litter everywhere. Where is the litter? The litter is everywhere. This is adverb of place. So underline the word everywhere. Number 9. Have you seen my wallet? I can't find it anywhere. Now where I can't find my wallet? I can't find it anywhere. Again, this is adverb of place. So underline the word anywhere. And the last blank is it seldom rains in the desert. How many times it rains in the desert? It seldom. यानी कभी कभार. So this is adverb of frequency. Underline the word seldom. Remember students that adverbs of manner mostly end with the words ly or ily. आपने ये नोट करना है कि adverbs of manner जो हैं वो ly या ily के साथ end होते हैं. I hope you have underlined all the adverbs. Homework. Dear students, here is a worksheet for you. This is an adverb worksheet. You have to note it down in your notebooks and then you have to fill in the blanks by forming adverbs from the words given in the brackets. अब brackets में जो आपको words दिए गए हैं, they are adjectives. Not all of them are adjectives, लेकिन mostly they are adjectives. उन adjectives को आपने ly या ily लगा के change करना है adverbs में. And you have to note it down in your notebook. Though this is not included in your exams, but this is just for your practice. Learn the exercise number 50, page number 161 from Grammar and Usage. जो अभी हमने exercise की है, you have to learn it. I hope students you have understood it very well. If there is any query, I am always here to guide you. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.